Imagine this. You're scrolling through your phone, bombarded by ads for miracle pills and quick fixes promising to boost your manhood overnight. But what if the real secret to stronger erections and lasting sexual vitality isn't hiding in a pill bottle or a shady supplement? What if it's sitting right there in your fridge, pantry, or grocery cart? Science is starting to crack the code on how everyday foods, the kind your grandma might have called brain food or strength food, could be your body's natural allies in fighting back against low testosterone, sluggish blood flow, and the bedroom frustrations that come with them. Forget the hype and the embarrassment. This isn't about magic or machismo. It's about biology. Your diet isn't just fuel for your muscles or your brain. It's the invisible hand shaping your hormones, your blood vessels, and yes, even your sexual performance. From juicy oysters to humble garlic, certain foods pack compounds that act like secret weapons, quietly nudging your testosterone levels upward, calming inflammation, and sharpening your body's ability to respond when it matters most. But this isn't a fairy tale. It's not about swallowing a single superfood and calling it a day. It's about stacking the deck in your favor, bite by bite, meal by meal, using what's on your plate to rewrite the rules of aging, stress, and modern life. Ready to dig in? Let's unpack how your next grocery run could double as a blueprint for better erections, stronger drives, and a body that's firing on all cylinders. No prescription required. Erectile dysfunction, ED, is a multifaceted condition affecting millions of men globally, with physiological, psychological, and lifestyle factors contributing to its prevalence. Among the biological contributors, testosterone plays a pivotal role in male sexual health, influencing libido, vascular function, and the maintenance of erectile tissue. Testosterone levels naturally decline with age, but lifestyle factors such as diet, stress, and physical activity can exacerbate or mitigate this decline. Emerging research suggests that dietary interventions, particularly the inclusion of specific nutrient-dense foods, may support healthy testosterone levels and improve erectile function. This passage explores the scientific basis for incorporating testosterone-boosting foods into daily nutrition, emphasizing their mechanisms of action, clinical evidence, and practical implications for men seeking to enhance sexual health through dietary choices. Testosterone synthesis and regulation are complex processes involving the hypothalamic-pituitary-gonadal axis, cholesterol metabolism, and enzymatic conversions. Low testosterone levels have been correlated with reduced nitric oxide, NO, bioavailability, a critical mediator of vasodilation in penile erectile tissue. NO is produced by endothelial cells in response to sexual stimulation, triggering smooth muscle relaxation and increased blood flow necessary for erections. Suboptimal testosterone levels may impair this pathway, leading to weaker or less sustainable erections. While pharmaceutical treatments like phosphodiesterase 5 inhibitors, e.g., sildenafil, are widely prescribed, dietary strategies offer a complementary or preventive approach by addressing underlying hormonal and vascular health. Foods rich in zinc, omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, and phytonutrients may enhance testosterone production, reduce oxidative stress, and improve endothelial function, thereby supporting stronger erections. Oysters, long celebrated as an aphrodisiac, are among the most potent dietary sources of zinc, a trace mineral indispensable for testosterone synthesis. Zinc acts as a cofactor for luteinizing hormone, LH, which stimulates Leydig cells in the testes to produce testosterone. Clinical studies have demonstrated that zinc supplementation in deficient individuals can restore serum testosterone levels, particularly in older men. A 2016 randomized controlled trial published in Nutrients found that participants with marginal zinc deficiency who consumed 30 milligrams of zinc daily for 6 months experienced a 15% increase in free testosterone compared to placebo. Oysters also contain high levels of D-aspartic acid, an amino acid linked to enhanced LH secretion in animal studies. Beyond zinc, Seafood such as salmon and sardines provides omega-3 fatty acids, which improve cardiovascular health by reducing inflammation and enhancing blood flow. Omega-3s may indirectly support erectile function by promoting arterial elasticity and counteracting endothelial dysfunction, a common precursor to ED. Leafy green vegetables, including spinach and kale, are abundant in magnesium, a mineral that modulates sex hormone-binding globulin, SHBG, levels. SHBG binds to testosterone, rendering it biologically inactive. Higher magnesium intake is associated with lower SHBG, thereby increasing free testosterone availability. A 2011 study in biological trace element research reported that magnesium supplementation in athletes led to significant elevations in total and free testosterone. Additionally, these vegetables are rich in dietary nitrates, which the body converts to NO. A double-blind trial in hypertension demonstrated that daily consumption of nitrate-rich spinach improved endothelial function and blood pressure in healthy adults, outcomes closely tied to erectile health. The synergy between magnesium and nitrates in greens underscores their dual role in hormonal and vascular optimization. Eggs, particularly the yolks, are a source of cholesterol, a precursor molecule for testosterone biosynthesis. Despite historical concerns about dietary cholesterol and cardiovascular risk, recent meta-analyses suggest that moderate egg consumption does not adversely affect heart health in most individuals. The phospholipids in egg yolks also support cell membrane integrity in steroidogenic tissues, facilitating hormone production. Vitamin D, another nutrient found in eggs, has been linked to testosterone levels. A 2011 study in hormone and metabolic research revealed that men with sufficient vitamin D levels had significantly higher testosterone than those deficient, likely due to vitamin D's role in modulating androgen receptor expression. Pairing eggs with vitamin D-fortified foods or fatty fish like mackerel can amplify these benefits. Garlic, a staple in global cuisines, contains allicin, a sulfur compound with antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation is a known suppressor of testosterone production, as pro-inflammatory cytokines inhibit gonadotropin-releasing hormone secretion. Animal studies indicate that allicin mitigates oxidative stress in the testes, preserving Leydig's cell function. A 2012 study in food and chemical toxicology found that rats fed garlic extract exhibited 30% higher testosterone levels than controls, alongside improved sperm quality. Human trials are limited but suggest that garlic's cardiovascular benefits, such as lowering LDL cholesterol and improving circulation, may secondarily enhance erectile performance by improving blood flow to the pelvic region. Pomegranates, rich in polyphenol like punicalagins, have garnered attention for their vasodilatory effects. A 2007 study in International Journal of Impotence Research reported that 47% of men with mild to moderate ED experienced improved erections after consuming pomegranate juice daily for 4 weeks. The fruit's antioxidants reduce oxidative damage to endothelial cells, enhancing NO synthesis. While direct effects on testosterone are less documented, pomegranate's ability to improve vascular health complements testosterone-boosting diets by addressing the circulatory component of ED. Nuts and seeds, including almonds, walnuts, and flax seeds, provide a blend of monounsaturated fats, fiber, and micronutrients such as selenium and zinc. Brazil nuts, for instance, are exceptionally high in selenium, a mineral that protects testicular tissue from oxidative stress. A 2018 study in Scientific Reports linked higher selenium intake to increased testosterone in aging men. Flax seeds, though containing phytoestrogens, have shown mixed effects. Some studies suggest lignans in flax may reduce estrogen activity, potentiating testosterone's effects, while others caution against excessive intake. Moderation and variety are key, as diverse nuts and seeds contribute synergistically to hormonal balance. Cruciferous vegetables like broccoli and cauliflower contain indole 3-carbinol, a compound that aids in estrogen metabolism. By promoting the excretion of excess estrogen, these vegetables may help maintain a favorable testosterone-to-estrogen ratio. A 2011 study in the Journal of Nutrition found that men consuming cruciferous vegetables had lower estrogen levels and higher free testosterone compared to those who did not. This hormonal adjustment, combined with the fiber and antioxidants in these vegetables, supports metabolic health, further reducing ED risk factors such as obesity and insulin resistance. Berries, particularly blueberries and raspberries, are dense in flavonoids like anthocyanins, which enhance NO production and reduce inflammation. A 2016 randomized trial in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition demonstrated that flavonoid-rich diets improved endothelial function and blood pressure in participants with metabolic syndrome, a condition often comorbid with ED. While berries do not directly elevate testosterone, their role in mitigating vascular dysfunction complements testosterone-focused dietary strategies. Lean meats, such as chicken and turkey, provide high-quality protein and iron, which are essential for maintaining energy levels and preventing anemia, a condition linked to fatigue and reduced sexual performance. Red meat, in moderation, supplies creatine and carnosine, compounds shown in some studies to support testosterone production during resistance training. However, excessive red meat consumption may increase saturated fat intake, potentially harming cardiovascular health. Balancing lean protein sources with plant-based options ensures adequate nutrient intake without compromising heart health. Avocados, rich in monounsaturated fats and potassium, support healthy lipid profiles and blood pressure regulation. Their beta-sitosterol content, a plant sterol, may inhibit 5-alpha reductase, the enzyme responsible for converting testosterone to dihydrotestosterone, DHT. While DHT is crucial for male development, elevated levels are associated with benign prostatic hyperplasia, which can exacerbate urinary and sexual dysfunction. By modulating this pathway, avocados may help maintain optimal testosterone bioavailability. Dark chocolate, with a high cocoa content, 70% or more, is a source of flavonoids like epicatechin, which stimulate NO synthase activity. A 2018 study in Circulation Research found that daily dark chocolate consumption improved flow-mediated dilation in adults with coronary artery disease, a marker of endothelial health. Although not directly linked to testosterone, improved vascular function enhances the physiological response to sexual arousal, making dark chocolate a valuable addition to an erection-supportive diet. Legumes, including lentils and chickpeas, are high in fiber and plant-based protein, which aid in weight management, a critical factor since obesity is strongly associated with low testosterone. Adipose tissue aromatizes testosterone into estrogen, reducing circulating levels. A 2013 study in obesity showed that men who lost weight through dietary interventions experienced significant increases in testosterone. Legumes' low glycemic index also stabilizes insulin levels, preventing insulin resistance, another contributor to hormonal imbalance. Olive oil, a cornerstone of the Mediterranean diet, is rich in monounsaturated fats and polyphenol. A 2017 study in Endocrine Connections linked Mediterranean dietary patterns to higher testosterone levels in men, attributing this to the anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties of olive oil. Its fats also facilitate the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins like vitamin D, further supporting hormonal health. Ginger and turmeric, spices with potent anti-inflammatory properties, may protect testicular function. Animal studies indicate that ginger extract increases testosterone by reducing oxidative stress in the testes, while curcumin in turmeric inhibits NF-κB, a pro-inflammatory pathway that suppresses steroidogenesis. Human trials are needed, but incorporating these spices into meals offers a low-risk strategy to potentially enhance hormonal and erectile health. In addition to these foods, avoiding processed sugars, trans fats, and excessive alcohol is critical. Sugar-laden diets promote insulin resistance and obesity, while alcohol inhibits testosterone synthesis by increasing cortisol and disrupting the hypothalamic-pituitary axis. A 2014 review in Current Obesity Reports highlighted that chronic alcohol consumption reduces testosterone by up to 20% in heavy drinkers. While the evidence supporting testosterone-boosting foods is promising, it is essential to recognize that diet alone may not resolve ED caused by underlying medical conditions such as diabetes, hypertension, or hypogonadism. A holistic approach, combining nutrition with regular exercise, stress management, and adequate sleep, is most effective. Resistance training, in particular, has been shown to elevate testosterone levels transiently, while aerobic exercise improves cardiovascular health. Sleep quality profoundly affects hormonal rhythms. A 2015 study in Journal of the American Medical Association found that men restricted to 5 hours of sleep nightly for 1 week experienced a 15% drop in testosterone. In conclusion, the interplay between diet, testosterone, and erectile function underscores the importance of nutritional choices in male sexual health. While no single food is a panacea, a diverse diet rich in zinc, healthy fats, antioxidants, and anti-inflammatory compounds can create a physiological environment conducive to robust testosterone production and vascular integrity. Further research is needed to elucidate long-term effects and optimize dietary guidelines, but current evidence supports the integration of these foods into a balanced, health-conscious lifestyle. Men experiencing persistent ED should consult healthcare providers to explore comprehensive treatment plans, ensuring that dietary strategies complement medical interventions when necessary. So, there you have it. Your grocery list just got a whole lot more interesting. Forget the awkward pharmacy trips and the whispered promises of instant results. The truth is, the tools you need to feel confident, strong, and fully alive aren't locked in some lab. They're in your kitchen. Every bite of salmon, every handful of nuts, every dark chocolate square isn't just food. It's a choice. A choice to fight back against fatigue, low energy, and that nagging voice saying, "This is just part of getting older." Spoiler alert, it doesn't have to be. Your body isn't a broken machine, it's a living, responsive system, and you've got the power to fine-tune it. So next time you're at the store, grab those oysters, toss some spinach into your cart, and maybe wink at the avocado display. Because this isn't just about what's on your plate. It's about rewriting the story of what your body can do. Stay hungry, stay curious, and remember, you hold the recipe for a stronger tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Now go make your meals matter.